Yeah, it's always interesting to notice just what different people pick up to play with. And for me, it's a way of absolutely bringing the model together in a really meaningful way for them. But also at the same time allowing that differentiation to take place, and to notice for themselves just how much they've learnt over the last couple of days.
Yeah. And how much they've settled, they've relaxed into the
Yeah.
idea of play as a great way of building rapport, staying in rapport, staying out of somebody else's,
Gathering information.
Yeah.
And knowing where to and how to lead children's brains, as well as the other adults in the situation, because I think that's been a really big learning for people this weekend.